A kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ ìkànnì Àrólé Bàbá 1010 TV2 nílé lájò lóko àti lẹ́yìn odi. Ibi yòówù kẹ́ ti láǹfààní láti máa darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ìkànnì aláyọ̀ yìí pẹ̀lú bá tún ṣe ń ṣe àfihàn àti àmújáde fọ́nrán tuntun nínú èyí tí ẹni tó jẹ́ Prime Minister fún ilẹ̀ Biafra Simon Ekpa tó ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fi ohun tuntun léde nínú ètò ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Níṣe ni ọ̀rọ̀ náà kò ṣàìkan ilẹ̀ káàárọ̀ òjíire nínú àlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀. Kí ni tí Simon Ekpa tó fi léde nínú fídíò tẹ́ ń wò yìí ń fi ààyè lẹ̀ tẹ́gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu rẹ̀ fúnra lára yín, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ kí n sáré ṣe ìfọ́síwẹ́wẹ́ ohun tí Simon Ekpa tó ṣe àlàyé nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹni tó jẹ́ Prime Minister ilẹ̀ Biafra yìí, Simon Ekpa, ó ṣàlàyé wípé ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà kò fẹ́rẹ̀ sí ilẹ̀ kan tó já sí wípé wọ́n ní àlàáfíà tí kò sí wípé ó ń bọ̀ lókè, ó ń bọ̀ nílẹ̀, ó ń bọ̀ lọ́tún àtòsí, ó ń bá wọn fínra. Ó ní àfi ilẹ̀ Biafra nìkan nítorí pé òun jẹ́ akọni ajìjàǹgbara tó sì sọ di mọ́ pé òun kò lè fi ààyè rẹ̀ lẹ̀ fún ìjọba orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà kankan láti wà ní ilẹ̀ Biafra. Ó ní ẹ jẹ́ ká wò ó ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tí ń ṣe ilẹ̀ káàárọ̀ òjíire wa ń bì tí orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ti ń ṣe ìjọba. Ẹ gbọ́ gbogbo ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ burúkú èyí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nípa àwọn Fúlàní darandaran. Simon Ekpa kò ṣàìtún mẹ́nu bà òmìnira tó já sí wípé àwọn pè é fún ní ilẹ̀ Biafra nínú ètò ti sọ di mọ̀ wípé orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà kì í ṣe orílẹ̀-èdè o bí kì í ṣe pé orílẹ̀-èdè àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí. Ó ní gbogbo ẹ̀yà àbí agbègbè tí wọ́n bá ti gba ètò ìṣèjọba orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà láàyè, àní ò sí, kò lè sí fọ̀kànbalẹ̀ àti àlàáfíà nírú ẹ̀yà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin náà gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ rẹ̀ lẹ́nu Simon Ekpa fúnra yín báyìí, kẹ́ bá fi sínú comment section ojú ìwòye tiyín. Ẹ ṣeun púpọ̀ lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀.
Good afternoon, fellow Biafrans. Today is the 11th day of November 2024. And entire Biafra land is under lock and key in compliance with the Biafra government directive. I want you to understand, it is only in Biafra land that people are not running away from their ancestral land in the entire Nigeria. In Yoruba land, people are fleeing the ancestral land. In the northeast, northwest, middle belt, people are fleeing from their ancestral land. It is only in Biafra land, and the government of Biafra made it possible. But you know what? They would like you to believe that Simon Ekpa is the cause of insecurity. No, I am the solution, and the only way they can get to you is by kicking me out of the way, which is not possible. I have come. After I'm done with Nigeria, Biafra will be free and enjoy freedom. Biafra will know the importance of freedom and what I'm doing today in 5 years to come. Good afternoon, fellow Biafrans. This is the 11th day of November 2024, and I am here again to respond to a question by somebody who just asked me, Prime Minister, what do we do to sustain the peace and security we've brought to Biafra land? And I told him, and I said, I am going to make this video to respond because I know many people are going to be asking the same question. So here is my response. The only way to sustain the peace that we have brought to Biafra territory and to the Biafra people is to make sure that Nigeria never breed within our territory. The Nigeria Terrorist Army, Nigeria Terrorist State Police, and every arm-carrying person under Nigeria within Biafra territory must not be allowed to breed because they are the main cause of insecurity. They are the terrorists that have been terrorizing people, facilitating the attack against indigenous people, and shielding these ragtag terrorists when they come to kill. So we are not going to allow them to breed in Biafra territory until Biafra become an independent state, recognized under international community and the United Nations. I want you to take a look at where Nigeria is breeding, how the security situation are in those places. Take a look in Yoruba land. Nigeria is breeding in Yoruba land. 29,000 people have been reportedly killed by the Fulani terrorists. Look at the northeast, northwest, where Nigeria is breeding. There are many terrorist groups springing up on a daily basis. Innocent women and children are being neutralized every day. Take a look in the Middle Belt, where Nigeria is breeding. There are people who have given birth to their children inside IDP camp. And many of those children are today 19 years of age. What does that tell you? It means that people have actually left and fled their ancestral land and have been living in IDP camp for more than 19 years. And without any plan for them to reclaim their land. Their land is now being occupied by strangers. Who are those strangers? The fighters that were actually killing the people and chasing them out of their own land. Nigeria is breeding in the Middle Belt. And that's the reason why we decided that the solution to sustain this security in our land is to make sure that Nigeria never breed. And that's what Ekpa is leading. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.